Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure Samsung Galaxy A35 for a senior person. To do this, first let's look if there's a simple mode on this smartphone. There's modes and routines. Let's check if there's something like a simple mode. Nope. So that means we'll need to adjust all of the settings manually. And to do it, let's find accessibility. It should be somewhere at the bottom. You can click on that. Then go for vision enhancements, and first thing is a display mode. You can switch between default, high contrast or large display. In this case, I'm gonna go with large display. Click on apply, and this should increase the size of our display, text size, and it also makes the font bolder. Next is the high contrast theme. You can switch between yellow, blue or none, but you will need to download the different contrast themes if you want to use them. Then we have high contrast fonts. It will add black outlines to all of the text, and it's mostly visible on our home screen. Next is high contrast keyboard, and it will basically change our keyboard to this yellow thing like this, and that's the default one. Then there's the highlight buttons, which when enabled will, as it says, highlight all of the buttons. Color inversion, if you enable it, it will invert all of the colors on your phone. There's color correction, color filter. If you need and want, you can enable them. We can reduce animations. This will reduce motion sickness while using your phone. The same with reduced transparency and blur. We can also enable extra dim, which will remove some brightness from our screen. And the last thing I would do is go for magnification. Activate magnification shortcut. You can choose one of the options. In this case, I'm going to go with accessibility button on top. And here we can find the button. Click on it once and you will enter the zoom mode. You can float around and zoom in onto the text or whatever you want. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.